Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS. It's James here. How are you today? In this video, we would like to share the work that we already finished in the Subaru Tribeca, and this one come with the factory system like this. You can see that it actually has the full setup here with the premium sound system and the roof LCD screen and the factory screen. In the past it was here, which actually I can still show where the factory screen is. Okay, so you can see that's the factory screen here. Okay, now it is new 7-inch system specially built by MPX Auto for this car model, and it is fully connected to the car by the computer system, and also including the full HD anti-glare, super night vision and super wide angle reverse camera upgrade in the same position as the factory camera. Technically you will have everything looking like factory imaging like that, but it's totally new. The quad LED screen for this one actually is the premium head unit. It is running wireless and Apple CarPlay right now on the screen, but it also can run wireless Android Auto, very nice. And the software there is Waze, if you know that, the Waze GPS. Now the screen here, 7-inch that we built for this one, is beautifully adjusted into the factory here. So if you just happen to come to the car, you don't know about this. You don't know about this as it's an upgrade. You couldn't verify it until you turn it on and you see the whole new system. Okay, the whole new system, absolutely new, beautifully new, and it's so responsive and it's so nice. LED screen, is not LCD anymore, and also the reverse camera is hardly to say that you can recognize it is factory or not factory, but when you turn it on you actually will see the reverse camera here. You can see that how clean it is. The factory camera is absolutely removed, and the new camera is there, super wide, super clear, super clean, and it comes back quickly to the Apple CarPlay when you remove the, change the gear back to normal. Yeah, I need to confirm that we actually keep everything running, from the system button here, this button here, and what else, all those buttons actually still keep working for the factory setup here. So all the factory buttons still working well, the volume button work well, the power button, everything here is working. But I mean, this section how it's actually respond is a bit interesting. You will find the function of some of those buttons connect to that system very nicely, not like the factory one name over here, but some of them change the functionality in a nice way to the connect and interact with the new system beautifully. Yep, so from now you see everything like this. And the good news, if you ever want this system sending it to you anywhere in the world with our full special hands-on instruction and all the material to make it happen like this one, like this video, at this moment we decide that we will let it go like that. So if you are anywhere, you see this video and you want this exactly like this, just give it an email, a call, or a message by WhatsApp or text, and we will be able to assist you to have you get this one done at your place in anywhere in the world. We can send out the kit, supply all the material, and you follow our instruction and you get it done exactly like this. Okay, so hopefully it is enjoyable. And now a few seconds before we go, we want to say that, okay, look, when we control on the steering wheel, look at this steering wheel, you see the steering wheel going there, steering wheel. Okay, now if we turn on the air conditioner, you see the air conditioner coming up there. Okay, so that is the way that it interact with the air conditioner as well. Okay, so very nicely showing the air conditioner there. Yeah, Now come down and I'll show you how the reverse camera here. Okay, that's the new reverse camera. It stays in the same factory location and beautifully there. And yes, all good. So once again, thank you for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed this one. Have a nice day and see you then.